which is equal, this is equal to the 1 over the sine of 2 theta. So we look to the sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta, and if we find this, we can use the reciprocal of this for the answer to this. This triangle is 2, 3, this is the square root of 13, so sine 2 theta equals 2 times the sine of theta is 2 over the square root of 13, and the cosine of theta is equal to 3 over the square root of 13. So this is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, so it's 12 over 13. And so the cosecant of 2 theta is equal to 13 over 12. Number 6, the identity is, this is a typo there. This is actually number 7 down here. And this is going to be 1 minus sine theta over cosine theta times cosine theta over, oops, this is just this part, 1 over sine theta, and I'm going to try to get that to be cosine squared theta. These cancel out, and so I have 1 minus sine theta over 1 over sine theta. Okay, so then this is equal to 1 minus sine theta. That sine is this one, and I'm going to multiply it by this sine. So now this is equal to 1 minus sine times sine theta over 1, which was this sine here. And I have 1 minus sine squared theta, which is cosine squared theta. Awesome. So next thing we're going to do is this. This is the sine of 2 pi over 3 times the cosine of 3 pi over 4 minus the sine of 3 pi over 4 times the cosine of 2 pi over 3. You need 2 reference triangles there. The first reference triangle is 2 pi over 3, and that's, let me make that a little straighter. That's this one here, and this is your pi over 3. So it's 1, negative 1, square root of 3, 2, and your next reference triangle is 3 pi over 4. So you're looking at a 1, 1, root 2 triangle, negative 1. Those are the 2 triangles that you use. The sine of 2 pi over 3 is the square root of 3 over 2 times the cosine of 3 pi over 4, which is negative 1 over root 2, minus sine of 3 pi over 4 is 1 over root 2 times the cosine of 2 pi over 3, which is negative 1 over 2. So I end up with negative root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. And you can rationalize that if you wish. This is the sine of theta over 2. The formula for the half angle is the sine of theta over 2 is equal to the square root of 1 minus cosine theta over 2. So if I use this triangle, this is a 5, 12, 13 in disguise. This is 12 times 3 is 36. 5 times 3 is 15. So 13 times 3 is 39. So this is equal to the square root of 1 minus the cosine of theta is 36 over 39, and this is over 2. This is equal to the square root of 3 over 39 times 1/2, which is the square root of 3 over 78, which is equal to 1 over the square root of 26. And that's simplified. The cosine of 11 pi over 12 is equal to the cosine of 3 pi over 4 plus pi over 3, I think. So what's 3/4 plus 1/3? This is 9/12 plus 2/12, which is actually pi over 6. So this is going to be pi over 6. Okay? So this is equal to the cosine of 3 pi over 4 times the cosine of pi over 6 plus the sine of 3 pi over 4 times the cosine, times the sine of 5 pi of pi over 6. Sine of pi over 6. So we need that 3 pi over 4 again, which is 1 root 2. This is negative. And in this case, we need pi over 6. That triangle is this. So this is 1, 2, square root of 3. Cosine of 3 pi over 4 is negative 1 over root 2. Cosine of pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2. Plus the sine of 3 pi over 4 is 1 over root 2. Times the sine of pi over 6, which is a half. So negative root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2 is what we get for that. Okay, so that was about 17 minutes, and I'm done. Have a nice day. Study for your quiz.